Tru Cal Metrology Services, standardizing the world. HVAC validation is essential to control air quality, temperature, humidity, and pressure. It prevents contamination, ensures patient safety, and meets compliance with WHO, EU GMP, and US FDA guidelines. Validation is required wherever clean and controlled environments are critical. Pharma and biotech plants, hospitals and operation theaters, food and beverage industries, electronics and research labs. At Tru Cal, we perform HVAC validation with precision, airflow and velocity tests, HEPA filter integrity testing, particle count and microbial monitoring, temperature and humidity mapping, differential pressure checks. Tru Cal Metrology Services, standardizing the world with accuracy, compliance and trust. Contact operations@trucal.in /9215301118.